It's sometimes hard to find the balance between stylish elegance and family friendly. So when designing a room that needs to work for everybody, it's important to find furniture that not only keeps things organized, but also unifies the space. The Karmallys have 2 young children and have filled their family room full of hand-me-downs. Needless to say, it is lacking a little personality. They are in dire need of a room refresh, and I cannot wait to show them that you actually can have it all. Hello, Jillian.
So nice to meet you.
I'm so happy to be here. So I hear we're doing a little bit of a room refresh.
Yeah, we really need it.
Well, this space, I think, works really good for the kids as is, but we would like it to work well for the whole family.
Yes.
You guys just come back home when I call you, and everything will be ready to go.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah.
The Karmallys need creative ways to hide their clutter. They also have a stone feature wall, which is going to serve as great inspiration for a starting point. Here's what I'm thinking. The Streeter Ottoman, oversized baskets, Winston Chair, the Byron lamp, the loft cabinet, and the Eve chair. Come on in.
That's amazing. Wow.
Yeah,
Thank you. Oh my God.
Wow, this is so cool.
So what we did is we added some rustic touches just to tie in with your stone fireplace. A lot of the pieces that we incorporated into the space serve as storage. So you got the new loft cabinet, which you can actually put baskets in there. You can put toys in the drawers. The Streeter Ottoman I love because it's kind of a triple threat. You can use it as a coffee table, you can use it as seating, but also as storage for the kids' toys. So that's really fun. I love the Winston chairs. These are really family and kid-friendly material. And new drapes. I think the drapes just add a really nice, elegant, fresh touch.
It looks like a family room, like what it's supposed to look like. I don't know, I feel like our family's already closer.
A refresh on the dining room as well.
Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. This is amazing.
I feel like this was a really successful room refresh.
Wow.
No, this was awesome. Thank you, guys.
To find all the latest Canvas products, go to canadiantire.ca/canvas.